Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Remove the 3 screws on the air filter flange with the Torx T20 socket. Don't try to take them out, they stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Then take off the flange, inclining it upwards and pulling it towards you. Take out the filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter into the cover. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Taking care to place the spurs into the right places. Then screw in the 3 Torx screws. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.